Another day, another video, another fragrance featuring Treasure Scents. I know I may have said bad things about their fragrances before, but I'm here now to, review it again. I bought 9, they gave me 2 more, so I bought 11. I have 11 in total, so I guess that's a better number to review since I cannot judge them based on 3 fragrances alone, or 4 rather, sorry. Anyways, let's start the video. Anyways, I wish you a Merry Christmas, especially for those people who celebrate Christmas, and for those who does not, I wish you happy holidays. Anyways, sa mga followers ko, I know you've been here from start to kung saan tayo ngayon, so I want to give you something back, pero abangan nyo na lang. Alam nyo na yan. Start the video with Treasure Scents Johnson's Baby Powder. So na-surprise din ako, mayroon pala ganitong set, so I just wanna try to smell it. So let's test it out. Unang amoy pa lang, amoy baby powder na agad siya, no? Serious. This smells like fresh talcum powder. Literal na amoy ng isang Johnson's Baby Powder. So this one smells nice, hindi siya amoy alcohol. Yay! Hindi siya amoy alcohol. So kudos Treasure Scents. Good job on this one. Actually, I think ito yung mga tipo ng scents na pwede mo magamit any day. Kung gusto mo mag-amoy Johnson's Baby Powder, amoy bagong pulbos, then this scent is for you. Next that we have here is Eros Flame, and I think nagiging favorite na siya ng karamihan ngayon. Since, Eros is a good scent and Eros Flame is the better scent. Anyways, let's give it a go. Tinan yung ano niya. Yung atomizer niya. Anyways, let's try it down. So, tapat natin siya dito sa fan. Okay. Ooh. Citrusy, fruity with the Eros DNA. Yeah, this one is good. It's on par with the... On par siya doon sa sa flame ni HSI. Yeah. You know what? I just wanna compare it later, pero yes, so far on par siya. I think this one is also good as an everyday scent. I like how it smells. I hope it lasts long. So, inap natin siya. Yes. Ayun na nga, lumalabas na talaga yung itong amoy niya. And you can already smell the Eros DNA and also the fruitiness and the citrus notes of an Eros Flame. On the line, we have here Dior Sauvage. So, testing natin to. And I'm hoping sana meron na makakuha ng Dior Sauvage na gusto ko. Okay, opening. Oh, this one is a bit citrusy. May pagka-pepper siya, pero I know, alam ko, walang lemon si Dior Sauvage, pero this one really do smell like lemon. Parang yung air freshener sa mga kotse. Ganun yung pagka-lemon niya. It smells nice though, sadyang hindi lang talaga ganito yung Dior Sauvage na in-expect ko. I'm expecting Dior Sauvage to be citrusy yet peppery, medyo pagkamanly siya, lavender mint and woody. Wala, this one is more of a citrusy side lang ng Dior Sauvage, and I don't know, I think this one is more of a lemon scent lang. Yun lang, hindi siya bergamot. Last but not the least, I did this bud, but so far ito yung best smelling ng nakaraan, Ultramil. So, testing natin to. Let's, is it here? Okay. Initial smell na agad yung bubblegum smell niya. Okay. Oh, sa wakas! And finally, tama nga hinala ko na namas produce siya and snip out na agad yung Ultramil nila nakaraan, since naamoy ko naman yung Ultramil scent niya, sadyang medyo nag-turn into alcohol scent. Pero this one, alam ko magalit sa akin ito, pero mainis. Yun, wala siyang alcohol scent. This one smells like a less lavender and less minty version ni Ultramil. This is more of a peachy note, pero so far, great improvement. I think nabigay nila sa akin is yung matagal na macerate, or dahil na macerate ko rin siya dito ng ilang araw. Yes! Sa wakas, Treasure Scents, thank you. Dinilig mo ang aking dalangin. This one smells really nice. I think for its price, this is one of the most best na Ultramil. Nakuha yung amoy niya. I don't know about the projection and longevity, of course, pero scent-wise, nakuha naman niya, and for its price, I think this one is good compared to others. I don't know, hindi ko naman sure, pero yeah, scent-wise, this smells nice. So yun na nga, so far, out of the 4 scents, all I can say, ang pinaka nag-start out sa akin is tong Johnson's Baby Powder. Na-surprise ako dito, I like this one. And then, the Ultramil, sa wakas, nagawa nila ng paraan yung amoy alcohol, and so far, hindi naman siya nag-amoy alcohol. And yun nga, ang smooth din niya, medyo less lavender and less minty lang, pero so far, it's good. Pinaka di ko nagustuhan siguro is itong Ultramil. Ultramil tuloy. Ang pinaka hindi ko nagustuhan siguro is itong Dior Sauvage, sorry, magkapada ako sila eh. Yeah, the Dior Sauvage really do smells more like a car air freshener na lemon. Sorry. Itong Eros Flame, pwede na, pero yun nga, nung nagtagal na siya, medyo nawala. I'm really bummed doon, pero I think dahil ginuskus ko siya, nirab ko siya, so sorry. Anyways, yung smell naman niya ng opening is similar with the HSI Flame, so I guess that's good. Sadyang huwag mo lang irarab, or yun nga, overspray na lang pag gagamitin mo siya. So far, pinaka-recommend ko siguro dito is yung Ultramil nila. This one is good. So far, so good, pero yun nga, Johnson's Baby Powder, this one is also good. Meron na akong new favorite scent sa Treasure Scents. Anyways, yun lang, hindi ko sinasabing hindi sila mabango, sadyang hindi ko lang talaga gusto yung pagka air freshener scent ni Dior Sauvage. Hindi siya amoy Dior Sauvage, so diba, baka mamaya pang-amoy ko lang, pero yun nga, amoy lemon lang talaga siya. While for the Eros Flame, medyo ang bilis nawala, kahit sabi mong nirab ko siya, medyo nawala na yung pagiging Eros scent niya, nagiging ano lang siya, typical citrus scent. So yun na, so far so good. Ultramil, great improvement, nagawa nila ng paraan na hindi siya mag-amoy alcohol. I guess ako yung mali nung una, so I'm sorry for that. Anyways, yun lang, so far so good. Thank you Treasure Scents. Meron tayong part 2 sa susunod, or part 3 pa. Guys, kung magkataka kayo, ano nga bang SOTD ko sa farm ko na to, I'll be using JPG Lego. So just 5 space lang tayo, just not to overwhelm people, kasi mag-drive pa ako and maarawan pa ako. Na nga, kung andito ka pa sa part ng video na to, yes, meron tayong giveaway ulit. So ito yung mechanics. I want you to tag 2 of your friends in the comment section, and then reply sa comment mismo kung bakit gusto mo ng Treasure Scents, and pipili ako, mag-reply ako kung alin nga ba yung mas better message. Anyways, yun lang. Make sure na naka-follow kayo and yung mga tinagdan nyo. Yun lang. Peace.